Yeah, yeah. Man, I said big dream. Oluwa cover me. Steady we dey go. Early morning, sun never rise. I dey road, mind on the price. Pocket lean, but the vision fat. I see the money long before it land. Them say relax, life no be race. But hunger they teach me different pace. I know they rush, I know they dull. One step daily, the bag go full. I learn say money no like noise. If they follow focus, not loud voice. If you steady your hand and clear your sight, blessing go look at you overnight. Steady, steady, I dey grind. Small, small, I dey align. Today na sweat, tomorrow shine. Oluwa bless the work of mine. Steady, steady, no retreat. Every year turn lesson for me. I no chase money with empty mind. I build value, money fall in line. Them see flex, them no see prayer. Them no see nights with fear come near. When my back the wall and hope they low. Now discipline teach me how to grow. I count my steps, I watch my lane. No copy life, we bring me pain. If you know add peace, you know add sense. I know they spend for audience. I they move like water, come but strong. No rush success, it go last long. Time now I set, focus na key. Na patience upon destiny. Steady, steady, I dey grind. Small, small, I dey align. Today na sweat, tomorrow shine. Oluwa bless the work of mine. Steady, steady, no retreat. Every day out on lesson for me. I no chase money with empty mind. I build value, money fall in line. No share mo gbadura, pray. Blessing they come my way. If it delay, no deny. My season they load, I know they lie. Steady, steady, watch me rise. Grace and hustle synchronize. No shortcuts, no compromise. Legacy day before my eyes. Steady, steady, yeah my name. From street to boardroom, save my flame. I know beg faith, I paid my dues. Now money they answer when I move. Yeah, steady we they go.